I'm here with one of the most anticipated TVs of 2023. Of course, I'm talking about the LG C3 OLED TV, or the LG OLED Evo C3. We're one of the first people to go hands-on with the set, so let's go take a closer look. The LG C3 OLED TV is the latest iteration of LG's most popular 4K OLED TV of the year. It's back with a handful of upgrades that could make the best TV of 2022 even better for 2023. It does look similar to the LG C2 from last year, notably featuring this lightweight composite fiber material that makes even the 65-inch configuration more manageable for one person to set up, though you'll see a full array of size options for this series. But most of the magic here is thanks to the new Alpha 9 Gen 6 processor, which powers improvements to perceived brightness, hopefully improving the overall impression of brightness for those watching. The C3 is also promoting LG's new Wow Orchestra feature. Basically, when you pair an LG C3 TV with an LG soundbar, the speakers in both will work together to create as ideal a soundscape as possible. The rest of the new features come via WebOS 23. You'll get a bit of a redesigned main screen that doesn't make you scroll down so much as across, with a more streamlined search options based on your streaming services. You'll also see these new quick cards that help you find content outside of TV shows, such as gaming, home office, and smart home options. There's even a dynamic sports card that can update live scores from your favorite teams that you've assigned. Next, we have the new Quick Settings menu that lets you customize which settings you want to be able to access quickly without disrupting what you're currently watching. From what we've seen, this menu makes it easy to switch your picture mode, and one of the new picture mode options in WebOS 23 is the Personalized Picture Wizard. This wizard lets you discover your preferences for your picture settings with a pick this or that type of setup. AI will analyze your choices to establish your very own custom picture setting. Pair these upgrades with a premium feature set like a 4-port array of HDMI 2.1 and Alexa voice assistant, and you're looking at the TV we're probably most excited to get on our bench later this year. We're on the ground at CES covering all of the major TV announcements, so be sure to follow along with our coverage at tomsguide.com and at social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at tomsguide. And as always, I'm at Kay Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.